Now, I promised you we were gonna inflate the wall, but we are gonna do something before we get there. We're gonna show you the edge seal in a little more detail, and we're gonna connect it to the actual main body before we do that inflation. So let's do that. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 10-foot long edge seal, which makes it compatible for all configurations with or without extensions. At the bottom here, I'm going to show you, this is just like with the topper, there's an access zipper. This gets you access to the polyfill, which is what makes this nice squishy surface. Inside here though, is this patch material. We put it in every single edge seal. It can be cut to size. This is in case you do have a problem with your bladder. You will be able to do a field repair and get that thing back in operation quickly. This patch material also, ironically, works with all of our products. So if someone with a utility knife in their back pocket doesn't realize it and they slice the wall, you can use it to patch that as well. Okay, now let's show you how these edge seals attach to the wall. Everything is zippers in air wall world. And so we are going to do just that, more zipping, okay? Again, just like your parka, you're gonna go in here, you're gonna make the connection and run it down the length. And that's it, okay. Now, this part, because we're dealing with an 8-foot wall, but we have a 10-foot edge seal, we don't need this extra couple of feet, right? So what do we do with it? Pretty cool. You're gonna take it, you're gonna fold it at right about the point where your topper is, like so. And then you're gonna just kind of squish it up inside here so that when I bring this other zipper half over to the starter, I can zip that section up in there and tuck it away for future use and get it out of my way, okay? And that's it. The edge seal's on. Now, as I promised, we're going to show you the inflation part.